ulam mo, Trisha?
It's adobo.
Wow.
Do I have to open it?
Yes, please.
It's adobo.
Salamat. Yung sa ano, doon sa malaki mo na ano.
It's only snacks. I finished it all.
Wala nang laman yan.
Wala na lahat ng makto. I have moisturizer there. It's full of snacks lang. Sir, what's up?
Kasi kami nag-buhay dito. Salamat, Trisha. Yun. Ayan. Anong ulam ni Ate Christina? Longganisa. Chicken. Saka longganisa. Yun. Sarap. Oh, may kiwi. Tingnan mo naman. Pag pumasok yan, dala-dala ni Ate Christina. What is this?
That's zucchini.
Huh?
Zucchini.
Zucchini.
Yeah.
This is an East Indian food.
Yes, it is.
What else is your ulam?
I have tea. I have roti.
Oh, roti, can I have? Check it, please.
No, you can't take a picture of it.
It's inside.
Yeah. And I have water bottle. I have orange. And I ate my cereal.
Thank you.
Hi guys.
Ano ba ang YouTube mo? Sabihin mo na mag-subscribe sa YouTube mo din.
Guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Lady's channel. So, for today's vlog, anong word? Mag-grade daw lunch.
Mga expensive or bagay. Ano ba yung
Wala.
chicken?
Chicken lang. Tapos ano, ayun, may sauce. Oh.
Wow, ikaw na may sauce.
Tapos, yan, mouthwash na kayo. Oh, may mga fruits pa. Yun lang.
Salamat. Okay, she is Dusanka from Serbia, right? Let me see your ulam. She will open it. Social distancing. I zoom it. Alright, thank you, Dusanka. Ito po ang pagkain ko. Bigay ni Tita Baby kahapon. Okay, one, Ate Edith. Dali na kunin mo na, Ate, ang ulam mo.
Here's my food. Okay. I'm so hungry.